Hello everyone, in this video, I will be showing you how to add Roblox to Discord status. This is a very easy and quick tutorial. All you have to do is to go to your Discord account. Now, as you can see here, you can't see my status as me playing Roblox. So all I have to do is to go to Roblox account, select the game that I want to play. For example, I want to play this items game or free items game. Okay, click the green button and then open Roblox. The moment that you open Roblox, that's the time that the Discord will detect what you are playing or doing at this very moment. So all I have to do is to click start and wait as it is about to open. You just have to wait for a couple of seconds or a minute. Sometimes it depends on how strong your internet connection is. You can go back to your Discord account and you can see there that Roblox has been added to your Discord status. Okay, so just let it, just let this Roblox run. Now you can go back to your Discord account just in case you can't see or this Roblox status doesn't display on your Discord, you just have to go to your settings and look for register games. That is under activity settings and make sure that Roblox is now playing. If not, you can go back to edit and then look for Roblox and then click add game. As easy as that. Thank you for watching and see you again in our next video tutorials.